Greetings and thank you for coming to my channel. I am Beauty ETC. I am a makeup enthusiast, I am a makeup lover, and I am a makeup artist. I love all things beauty. In this video, I will be showcasing, of course, this look, this eyeshadow look. I hope you like it. I have a little disclaimer that I will put somewhere in this video somewhere, but this is the look I was able to come up with none other than the Obsessed by Pinky Rose Cosmetics. Obsessed, yes. And Obsessed is like, looks like this. Okay, it comes in a sleeve, it comes with a standard mirror, and that is what it looks like. Beautiful, right? Yes, I also think so. Now, this palette was a little bit hard to work with at first, but I used it a second time and I used it in a different way. What I did was I used an eyeshadow base that is by Makeup Revolution. It's called the Cut Crease Canvas. That is what I used, and I did not set the cut crease canvas. So this is kind of like a soft cut crease, which I used my fingers to create. And this is how I was able to get the colors to stick, because I believe this is pressed pigment. So on a dry surface it kind of gets patchy, but on a tacky surface it goes on. All you need to do is pat it on and then go back to blend it very lightly. The first time I used it just like I would use any normal palette, and it didn't quite work out for me. But this time, you know, so it didn't quite work out for me, as you will see in the video. Okay, I wasn't too pleased working with it, but the second time that I used it off camera, it worked out for me. So this is the look from, you know, the video, and that is my disclaimer. I suppose I already said it. So it is not particularly a bad palette, but I would say that this palette is for those that already know what they're doing when it comes to applying eyeshadow.
To see you again, that was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm missing. Feelings in my heart, yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm missing. Feelings in my heart. How much you're messing with me? 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 You anymore, spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm messing with that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. You don't care, you don't care, you don't care, you don't care.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you for sticking to the end. What are my thoughts on this palette? I own a lot of palettes. I do use a lot of eyeshadow palettes on myself and on clients, and this was not a breeze to work with. Now, because of my experience, I can actually work with this palette, but if you're a beginner, you might find this palette a little bit intimidating. I used about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these colors, and I had a little bit of challenge creating this look. I had to really dig in to the palette. Now, not that it doesn't work, it does, but I've had more friendly palettes. I was a bit powdery. I had better luck using the shimmer colors, those two colors, but those matte colors, especially the whatever color, I had to really blend. If you watch the video, you see my reaction using it, but overall it's pretty good. It's not a bad investment.